To insert SIM cards into the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, you have to just grab your phone, and the SIM slot, the SIM tray is located over here, and we have to input that SIM ejection tool in this place. Now we have to grab that and gently push it. Now you have to remove the SIM ejection tool. Take that off by using your fingernails. And right now, the first SIM card we have to put like this, with this cutout into this cutout. We have to align it, and that's how it looks. And the second SIM card, just the same, with the cutout to the cutout. Now just squeeze that, and I can highly recommend you to hold that card, because I can already see that it's gonna fall out when you try to put it inside. And now we have to just align this. Take a look, we have to hold it here. Now input the first part inside. Now we can release and put it inside like so. Then push it. Now as you can see, it is finished, and we can input our SIM card PIN code by clicking just over here.